In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view Bing search history. Let's walk through this together so you know exactly where to click and what to expect. First, open your preferred web browser and go to bing.com. You can type the address directly into the address bar and press Enter. Give the page a moment to load. If you get redirected to a region-specific version of Bing, that's fine. The steps are the same. Next, check the top right corner of the page. If you're not signed in yet, click Sign In and log into your Microsoft account. This is important because your Bing search history is tied to your Microsoft account, not just the device you're on. That means if you've searched on another computer or phone while signed into the same account, those searches can appear here too. If you don't see a Sign In button, you may already be signed in. Look for your profile picture or initials instead. Once you're signed in, return your focus to the top right area. Click the menu or settings icon. Depending on your layout, it might look like 3 horizontal lines, a small gear, or simply your profile icon. On smaller screens, the menu may be condensed, so clicking the icon will expand it. In the menu that appears, look for and select Search History. The wording should be exactly that. Click it, and Bing will open a dedicated page for your past searches. On this page, you'll see your recent searches listed, usually with the newest at the top. Each entry typically shows the query and a timestamp, so you can quickly identify what you're looking for. If you want to revisit something, clicking a past query will open those results again. You may also notice tabs or filters across the top for things like web, images, videos, or news. These filters let you narrow down the type of history you're viewing. For example, if you remember looking up a picture, switch to images to find it faster. Take a moment to scroll through and familiarize yourself with the layout. If you don't immediately see what you expect, double-check that you're signed into the correct Microsoft account and that the page fully loaded. Sometimes the menu design changes slightly depending on your browser window size, so maximizing the window or refreshing the page can make the search history option easier to spot. And that's it. By going to Bing, signing in, opening the menu, and selecting Search History, you can quickly review your past searches and find what you need.